Klark Teknik releases DN100 DIBox. Welcome to Music Gears, where we bring you the latest info on new music instruments, software, and other gear from around the world. Klark Teknik has released the DN100 Direct Box. Here's what they are saying. The DN100 has become an established favorite amongst both engineers and musicians alike. With its high headroom, dynamic response, and sonic clarity, DN100 faithfully reproduces the character of electric and acoustic instruments and allows far more of the detail of musical performances to be captured. DN100 is intended for professional applications where plus 48V phantom power is a standard feature on all mixing consoles, and its innovative design results in a significantly higher clipping point than many other active DI boxes, providing plus 10 dB output into a 2K omega load. This increased headroom means that much higher level input signals can be accommodated without the need for an attenuating pad. Combined with a very low noise input circuit topology, DN100 offers a very wide dynamic range and only requires a single minus 30 dB pad for use when connecting directly to instrument amplifier outputs. DN100 is built to handle the rigors of life on the road. A thick aluminum extrusion protects the electronics and in turn is covered by a tough silicone rubber sleeve. Balanced transformer isolated output. Exhaustive listening tests using a wide variety of active and passive bass guitars, electroacoustic guitars, and electronic musical instruments were carried out to select the components for DN100 to achieve the best musical sound. Not only was the choice of the audio transformer particularly important in achieving this goal, but the impedances of the surrounding components were also highly critical in getting the best possible performance out of the audio transformer. The line-driving characteristics of the transformer output were carefully optimized to provide the best frequency and phase responses for short and long cables and widely differing line and termination impedances. Care was taken in the design of the DN100 to avoid audio transformer core saturation, and a fixed high-pass filter has been included in the signal path to roll off frequencies below those that are musically important. The lowest note on a 5 or 6 string bass guitar is B0, with a frequency of 30.87 Hz, and the lowest note on an 88-key piano keyboard is A0, with a frequency of 27.50 Hz. DN100 still maintains a frequency response of plus or minus 0.5 dB at these lowest musical notes. As well as the transformer in the signal path, DN100 also has a transformer to isolate the power rails to the input circuit from the phantom power supply sourced from the output XLR connector. When used in conjunction with the earth lift switch, this full galvanic isolation of input and output interfaces ensures that any risk of earth loops is avoided when taking a direct feed from stage backline equipment. Dual impedance inputs. A custom instrumentation-grade input circuit was designed for the DN100 using advanced analog design techniques to create the very high input impedance required by passive guitar and bass pickups, whilst keeping the actual component values low to minimize noise. This innovative approach to circuit design produces a very low noise floor, which combined with the high clipping point creates an unrivaled dynamic range in a plus 48V phantom-powered DI box. DN100 features one parallel connected XLR and two 1/4 TRS inputs, one which may also be used to link output for connection to a guitar or bass amplifier. When connecting to the XLR input only, the input impedance is 20K omega, ideal for line-level equipment and offering even lower noise performance. This input impedance is far too low for guitar and bass pickups and is removed from the circuit when a jack plug is inserted into a 1/4 TRS input, resulting in a nominal 1 omega input impedance, ideal for passive electric pickups. Price: $59. Read more at www.musictry.be. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and if you'd like to stay informed on the latest in music gear releases, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.